welcome to today's vlog. It's Wednesday, August 13th, and it's currently 9:15 a.m. So this morning I did some journaling, and then I also wrote in my planner. Let me just kind of show you. I have to go to the gym. I'm gonna vlog all day today. I'm gonna finish cleaning my makeup brushes. I started cleaning some of them yesterday. Those are my clean face brushes, but I have my eye makeup brushes that I need to finish cleaning. So I have an interview coming up and pretty exciting, and then film short form too. So I'm gonna try to get some TikToks done. I wanna get back into planning. I used to be so into writing in my planner and like decorating it super cute. I love to put like stickers on it and stuff. It's so motivating to me. And so I have these like random little stickers that I had. But that is what we have in store for today. I just had like a pre-workout snack, but I'm feeling so lazy to go to the gym. It just sounds like such a drag, but gotta get done. Yesterday I did a leg day and my legs are cooked today. So I'm definitely not doing anything crazy with legs. I'm gonna probably do like arms or upper body or something. Let's go take our vitamins because I just realized I forgot to take them. Okay guys, we are officially ready for the gym. This is my outfit of the day. My tank top is from Gymshark. My leggings are Gymshark also. I am obsessed with Gymshark. I think they have some of the most flattering athletic wear. And I just put this Lululemon jacket on top because it looks a little cold out. I'm gonna walk there, so don't want to get cold. So I'll see you guys at the gym. Okay, I'm back home and I started making this smoothie. This is gonna be breakfast for today. I was not feeling eggs. Alright guys, I'm going to finish cleaning my makeup brushes. I just want to make sure that I get that finished today. Also, my Apple Pencil should be arriving soon. Honestly, any minute. It says from 1:30 to 4:30 is the delivery window. And because I really did not want to miss like receiving the package, I released the signature so that I wouldn't have to sign for it because it's a Apple product or over a certain amount of money, so they like make you sign. There's a ladybug. Ladybugs are signs of good luck. I hope everyone watching this gets all the good luck from this little ladybug. Please tell me if you guys like the quality a little bit better. I changed it to 4K because I was trying to look up the proper settings to have for this camera because it does like wash out just like the entire picture a little bit. So I was trying to find a way to put the color back. It's still going to be a little washed out because I haven't figured it out yet, but it's fine. In the meantime, I learned how to get it to 4K. We went to the gym, check. We're vlogging, check. Finished cleaning brushes, check. Practice for interview we're going to do, and then we have to film short form content. So I'm going to run and take a shower really quick because I haven't yet from the gym. I've just been running around. Oh. I'm so excited. She is in all her glory. And I couldn't figure out like what I wanted to write on the pencil. This is what we settled on. Hi, cutie pie. Okay, it worked. Okay, continue. Let's see, I wanted to try Canva, the thumbnail I just did the other day, but let's see if we can be more creative. Vlog. Just wait until I get the plan with me videos going and I make my vision board with this pencil. My thumbnails are going to be so creative, guys. Hopefully you're watching this video because you saw the thumbnail and you were like, oh my god, so cute. How did she do that? If you haven't watched my sick days at home vlog, you should definitely go watch it because I was struggling the whole video. Now having my lunch, and I'm actually just having leftovers from the restaurant we went to. Yeah, it's just steak and mac and cheese. I really needed some steak. It's been a little bit. I have my dinner here. I just have some arroz con pollo. It's a Peruvian dish. It's just chicken with rice with some veggies mixed in, and then It's like a cilantro sauce. That's what makes it all green. And just like some pickled onions on top. I think they're pickled onions. I don't know. They're so good. This is my favorite food. Growing up, I would beg my mom to make this. I need to learn how to make it. I took a shower. I was catching up with my roommate a little bit because she's going to be moving out soon. And we were just hardly ever see each other. So I was just catching up with her. I feel like the last time I saw you guys, I was eating. But I've been trying to find like cute little apps to add to my iPad. Now that I have this pencil, I feel like I can do so much with this iPad that I like don't know about. So I've been looking up on TikTok like planner apps or just different apps that'll make my life easier. Okay, I didn't have my microphone on, and I feel like that is making a huge difference because my downstairs neighbors are really loud, and I'm so sorry if you always hear screaming in the background of my video. I promise everyone's okay. I just have like kids that live downstairs. But anyways, I was talking about GoodNotes. I know a lot of people use it for college, but some people also use it for, I think I heard like vision board or like planning. So I'm playing around with the app a little bit. GoodNotes is so far the only one that I've downloaded. So if you have any good planner, vision board, girly cutesy little apps, please let me know. Write them in the comments. I love a good app. Like anything that's like I have my life together vibe. I love it. No games right now because I don't need any distractions, but just anything to be more productive, please let me know. Okay, I'm gonna go back to watching YouTube videos and finishing my dinner. Good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. It's currently 7 in the morning. I am about to go to the gym, but really quick before I go to the gym, in my last vlog, I uploaded the sick days in my life, and the week before that, I had gotten a sty in this eye, and it's almost reappearing, I want to say. I had to go on antibiotics for the sty. I didn't touch it, and then I got sick, and then at the end of me being sick of my cold, I went and worked. I told you in the last vlog, so I had to put makeup on, but I didn't put any of the same products I did when I had the sty. Like I threw everything away, but now I'm like concerned, did that aggravate it? Because I haven't really worn makeup since then and since my birthday, but my eye just looks like really red. I don't know what to do. There's that. Hopefully that calms down soon, but I'm about to do some journaling because I'm trying to practice mindfulness and just being like aware. A lot of times I'll wake up and then I'll just grab my phone right away, but I'm trying to have like slow mornings and a nice good solid morning routine that I enjoy. So I'm gonna do some journaling. I'm gonna have some tea. I'm gonna make a light breakfast. But really quick, I want to show you this pillow that I got. So basically I got this pillow. It's supposed to support your like neck when you sleep at night, and the reason that I got it was because I've been having like weird neck and like trap muscle right here pain. My neck isn't being supported enough at night. When we sleep, our neck is kind of just like always in the air because obviously our head and our back are touching the pillow or the mattress or like the bed. So that's kind of where this pillow comes in. Put your head like right here, and this part kind of like cradles your neck. And then there's these little sides where you can put your arm. If you're a tummy sleeper, you would put your head in here. You can turn like right or left and then put your arm right here. Or what I like to do sometimes is I'll sleep on my back and I'll put one of my arms like up. But yeah, I just wanted to share that because I feel like since I've gotten it, I've been getting pretty good sleep. And also this pain, it's like not as bad now thanks to this pillow. Been a series of unfortunate events in my apartment. I don't know if I told you guys, but the AC just decided to stop working. It's been 4 days that the AC has been off. It's so hot during the day. At night isn't the issue at all because I can just like open the window, but during the day I'm like closing the blinds, closing the window, and it still gets to like 81, even 82 yesterday. So, I mean, my landlord said he's on it. And then yesterday, let me just show you this. I put like this pot here because this sprinkler started leaking. It was like dripping water pretty fast, and I got really scared and was like, oh my god, what's happening? Because one roommate is out of town and then the other roommate wasn't home. So I was like, oh god, like what do I do? And then this is not my room. This is like my roommate's room. So I just put like a pot down and like a paper towel, but it looks like it stopped last night. And I had to go upstairs to our neighbors and ask if their tub was like overflowing or something because, you know, my ceiling's leaking. They're so nice upstairs. I met like the girls, they just moved in, and she was like, no, like there's nothing overflowing, but you know, I think there's something up with the pipes because the sink and the bathtub clog really easily. And I was like, oh gosh, like have you tried texting the landlord about it? And she said, yeah, but he doesn't answer. So yeah, that's kind of like what's going on. But my landlord said he's gonna come by today around 10 a.m. to see what's going on with the sprinkler and the AC. He said he doesn't think they're like connected at all. Also, I feel so bad because my roommate's out of town, and I don't know, that would just like stress me out if I knew that there was like water leaking from my ceiling. It would potentially ruin all my things. So I told her, I was like, don't worry, none of your stuff is wet. I put a bucket down, everything's okay. This is my OOTD for the gym. I'm wearing this white Lululemon jacket just to go there, but underneath I have this gray Gymshark sports bra. And then for leggings, we just have these. These are from Amazon actually, but they are a little see-through, so you know, beware of that. I'm not gonna be squatting or anything today. I'm just gonna do a quick little cardio sesh and maybe some abs, and then I'm gonna wear my Hokas, of course, but they're so dirty. I really need to clean them. And for today, somebody's coming by around 10 to 11 to look at my AC unit, and also meeting my boyfriend's mom for lunch today at 1. And then after that, I plan on going to the mall because I want to buy like a really cute suit for an interview I have. And also, I don't even have a business suit. So I feel like it's just something that I need to have in my closet now. She's growing up. Yeah, like I didn't have a suit in my closet. Like I have a blazer and I have a skirt, but I just want like a full suit. Let's go to the gym. Fresh out of the shower. I'm kind of rushing because it takes me a long time to do my hair and makeup, and it's 11:25 and I have to be at this. We're gonna go eat some Thai food, so I have to get this Thai place at 1. So I'm gonna just quickly throw on these whitening strips. Excuse my room, but this is what I'm wearing. My sweater's from H&M. My skirt is from Shein. They actually sent it to me. Shoes, they're a random brand that also sent it to me. And then I'm just wearing my Diesel purse and all my silver jewelry for today. That is the OOTD. I will see you guys later. It's like 100 degrees, not actually, but pretty hot. And I'm just kind of like finishing my leftovers because I'm like a little hungry, but I'm not so hungry. Yum. Now I'm just making dinner. I'm like so tired. But I didn't tell you guys how my little lunch went. My lunch was so good. I had such a good time with my boyfriend's mom. She's literally the sweetest human being. I love her. She's so freaking adorable. She got me these flowers. They're so pretty.